I'm going to be doing some more fidget reviewing. I've got all these fidgets. I've done these, and I've traded to earn these and done that stuff. You know, school kid type of trading, scamming and that. I don't like scammers. I haven't scammed for any of these, so I don't know why people scam, so stop scamming. It makes people sad. I've gotten scammed before and it doesn't feel good. So let's just get some of these. This I traded with a girl, this nice little apple poppet, and as this too for some other stuff. I got this from a girl, this, and I got, this from a girl, all for some Pokemon cards. And I got this dimple. It has a little paw right on the center as a little touch. It's broken right here, but it works as a good keychain part, and it doesn't look that broken. So I think it works really well, and especially when you put it on the good side. That wasn't the good side, hang on. That green bubble sounds so good. Listen again. I've got this thing. I have traded so much for this wacky track. This is at least 300 of those little pieces that are impossible to put together. I mean, it's as tall as me. Well, to my feet, it's like up to here, basically. So it's basically as tall as me. And it sounds really good when you do this. Yeah, I was cleaning out a big basket we have filled with stuff and that type, and I found this thing and this tangle. I think this is a very unique type of tangle because it's got bumps on this, it's got bubbles and water on the see-through one, it's got pink and green, and it has a red too that doesn't have the bumps. And I have blue ones that have the bumps, but I haven't found those yet. So let's get popping. Oh, and I also have this thing. It's like a squishy. Well, there went that. Bye-bye. So I have this thing. You can, it's like a puzzle ball type. And you have to push the pieces out and try to get it apart and then put it back together. So that's that. And this thing is really cute. If you look on it, it has these cute little faces. It has a smiling one, and can't tell if it just looked at its poo for the first time, or if it's just surprised, or if it's chewing gum, or if it's choking. So it doesn't sound that good, but it looks very good. Oh, there that. So listen. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. This sounds really good. So I love this so much, and I'm going to be doing some games too, and it's going to be called Fidget Games, and I'm going to do a bit at the end of the video. Like, not that many, but just a little bit. This thing, I don't know how much I like it, because I think I got scammed because it has a bunch of holes poked in the top of it. And yeah, that's just great. But this dimple, again, I'm sorry, I can't stop talking about this because it's so good. Great. Well, somebody's vacuuming, but fine. I got this marble mash. And yeah, let's do some ASMR. I'm gonna put your volume to 20 for the best for this. So that's all I've got. Oh, and shout out to my grandma for helping with some of the stuff on this. She helped buy me a lot of these fidgets for Easter. So thank you so much, Grandma. And also, let's get to some of the games. If you have a blue dimple, let me know. If you have 5 rainbow fidgets, let me know. And if you have a solved Rubik's Cube, take a picture of it and send it to me, and I will respond. So that's all I've got for today. So, bye.